Check out this Dodge 2017 Charger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power 8-way driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.